is 8:30 in the morning and we are going to go see the Navy Blue Angels go over EPCOT.
Woohoo! This is the first time Amber's ever seen the Blue Angels.
So it's exciting. Trying to get our magic bands, trying to video, and that's not working out very well because we're stuck in traffic. I think they're supposed to be flying between the backside of Spaceship Earth right before you get to the countries. So we'll see how that works. Excited?
I'm excited.
Yay! Okay, so this is where the viewing starts for it. We just have to find out where to go. There's already people videotaping. It's supposed to be coming from the parking lot this way. So it's approximately at 9:30 is when it'll happen.
What time is it?
So we're gonna keep going this way. I think we'll get a better shot towards the back anyway.
Friends and honored guests, in honor of Military Appreciation Month, EPCOT is pleased to welcome the United States Navy Blue Angels. Once again, please welcome the Blue Angels.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIMCAR performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIMCAR off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
I know.
Scanning SIMCAR for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Amber.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
We're going 0 miles an hour. This is Amber's other favorite ride.
We're actually trying the green, which is Earth this time, for the first time. We usually do orange to Mars.
Hello.
This is the last test. You're welcome.
And for Frozen.
We have for Frozen.
Those are the only two that we have right now.
So, we just got on that track and we just shut it down.
Oh, my Cias. I just remember being at Pirates and they had me always saying, sorry guys, the ride is closed, wonder when it'll be back on, try again later. Like the next person would ask, and you're like,
Now they have megaphones.
oh, we don't have that part of the queue on Max. So like we had to rope up the, you know, where you first come in, and those poles, we had to rope up.
I feel like you have PTSD from it.
I feel what?
You still have PTSD from it.
Like really close. I can feel it.
Hey there, welcome, hello. You're probably thinking, what am I doing here? Well, that's very philosophical of you, but that's one of life's unanswerable questions. I have a question for you. What is something you see every day that has a powerful influence over your actions, emotions, and moods, and can even affect the way you think and feel? No, I'm not talking about teenagers. I'm talking about color. Blue, for example. Can you feel it? Are you feeling blue? I'm sure feeling blue. Wait. Oh no, that's not what I meant. That's a different meaning.
Look at Brian and his freckles.
Oh, hello, yellow. Colors can sometimes evoke powerful memories. This yellow brings back memories of sitting with my friends in the back of the school bus, laughing and singing with Shannon and Henry and old Carl the driver. Wait a minute. I walked to school. Those are someone else's memories. That's how powerful color can be. Oh, orange! Okay. Fun fact, nothing rhymes with orange. Orange is a lively, exciting, jump up and dance kind of color. And in this light, you guys all look ready to have fun, am I right? And the party's over. Time to calm down in the Zen garden that is green. Green is a color that knows how to get along, have fun, but be chill. Maybe it is easy being green after all. Oh, I can't wait to tell Kermit. Okay, stop. Just stop it. Red. Of course, it's hot. It's spicy. It's the color of which we paint the town. Red is full of emotion. Anger, red face. Excitement, red alert. Romance, red rose for my lady. Speaking of roses are red, violets are red sophisticated neighbor on the color wheel. Violet can stimulate creative thought. I don't know the words. Can you imagine a world without color? No, no, no! Don't listen to me! I mean, listen to me! Everybody, think of your favorite color, quickly! Wow! Okay, I think you are all ready to have a blast with color. The doors are about to open and you will enter the color lab for a truly colorful experience. Have fun, and I'll catch up with you later.
Behind me are magical paintbrushes that we're going to use in the next room. But first, let's have some fun with color shadows in the wall behind you. Now, the light may look white, but it's actually a mix of red, green, and blue. And so as you get to the wall, the more colors you find yourself blocking. Further away, the fewer colors you'll block and the more you can play with. So take some time, have some fun with the color shadows. You take pictures of it like we encourage that. And we'll get started with the paintbrushes in just a few moments.
So what? Remember if you love the song, leave it in the comments. That's all I know. How does it go?
Little bunny poo poo.
No, little bunny poo poo, hopping
Poo poo. Pop him on his head.
Yeah, but pop what?
Whatever you want. There you go. There's your charger. Big one. Whoa, did that just change? That's cool.
Oh, original. Just kidding. Oh, cool. Do the tree blue. There's still more to come. Hurry, you got 8 seconds. Brian. 5 seconds. Oh.
Stunning! Can you see that? By using the power of color, we can all make the world Colortopia! I know what you're thinking. That's a great bumper sticker. Use it. You're welcome. It was my pleasure being your color commentator. Have a very colorful day. Bye, everybody.
I showed you guys before this, but I still like the way the ground looks. Now I gotta go outside, it's raining. But if you, like I said before, this is inside of Innovation, the color with Glidden. Colortopia. Alright. So the Blue Angels were really cool. What do you think? We saw them before, huh?
No, they were awesome. I mean, it's really cool to see them at Disney. They did 2 flyovers. That was cool.
It's 11:30, so we rode Mission and Test Track. The wait times were pretty short, yeah. But we're probably gonna go home so Brian can sleep for a couple hours because he got in this morning really early. Just relax, get some food, and then probably come back. I don't know if we're gonna come back to EPCOT. I'm not sure what park we're gonna go to next.
I don't either. But we will see you guys later. Bye.